You will love the features of this 2019 Nissan Sentra. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This roomy Sentra makes your daily drive fun, comfortable, and convenient. Discover the joy of cornering thanks to sport suspension, precise handling, and crisp acceleration. Then relax and enjoy the cruise in the sleek cabin loaded with tech and clever storage solutions. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, dual zone AC, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor, stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system. Here's a sporty Nissan Sentra, the powerful midsize four-door that prioritizes comfort, convenience, and safety. From its standard suite of driver assist tech to its spacious upscale cabin and thoughtful storage solutions, this snazzy sedan makes your daily drive pure pleasure.